So there is one mistake in these three words, the given bar vertical graph. If you can recognize this mistake, please do comment and I will see. And definitely this is your grammar test also. The given bar vertical graph illustrates. So only mistake here only. So please note it down and try to find what is the mistake and text me. And definitely what we are doing here in this video, we are going to discuss how to write these bar graphs. That was part of IELTS exam in India on 17th Feb. So definitely this will come in another countries within 1 or 2 months. It can repeat, I am telling you. Okay, so here let me introduce myself. I am Monica from IELTS 9. So you can do at the end, subscribe, like and comment, everything you can do it, but after learning something. Okay, so now this is my graph and you can see this in exam. When you will get this graph, what will you do? Definitely you will read, analyze and everything you will be doing with the question statement with the bar graph. So here I can see and you can also see colorful graph, but here in exam you will not get any colorful kind of thing. So here for this video purpose I have made this. So there are three categories: children, men and women. So red is children, then men and women. So what you can see after looking at this bar graph, so I can see the green one is going up and this is the highest among other categories, and the red one is the minimum, means the least number of category, and this is highest, this is the least, and man yellow one is in stable kind of thing. Overall I can see that graph is percentage is improving because these are percentage. I will show you the question statement also. And here you can see this years from 2001 to 2008. It means the whole essay, the whole report writing will be in past tense. Okay, so now I can see women highest, least group is children, least rank number, and everything I have seen. Now let's read the question statement, then you will get to understand. So the question here says, the chart below shows the percentage of people who ate 5 portions of fruits and vegetables per day in the UK from 2001 to 2008. So this is the question statement. They are talking about UK, United Kingdom, where people like children, men and women, they are eating fruits and vegetables per day. Okay, so that is the thing. Now we have seen everything, we have analyzed. No, one more thing is left. So when we are going to write body paragraph, so do your homework before writing everything. So what is this percentage? So you can just write just below 15 or just between 15 and 10%, or you can just write 13. Okay, and here just below 20, or you can write 19% or 17%, you can say. This is 23%, you can say, or you can just write just touching 25 or less than 25%. Here this is exact, so you can just write here for 13%, 17% and 23% if you want to write this percentage. And here in these 3 years stable kind of thing. Here these two categories, first 2 years they are stable, but this is increasing, and this is 35, this is exact 30, and this is exact 25, and this is exact just below 20%, Okay, so in this way you have to write all the information, but not every. So you can see this is the major important point where this point is touching. So this first year, final year is important to write every detail, and wherever it is striking point, like this is the peak point in this bar graph. So this is also important to write in answer. Now let's start and let's see the vocabulary also. One more thing, 20 minutes will be there. Don't spend too much time on writing task 1, but yes, if you will be doing 10-15 report writing, you can easily finish this task in 18 minutes, 17 minutes, 150 minimum words, but yes, definitely 160, 170, 200 words it can go. Basically important things you need to write. So percentage, this is vocabulary. For percentage we can write percentile, proportion, and for increase, rise, growth, improvement, increase, reach at peak. So please use second verbs when you are using past tense. Steady growth, constant, unchanged, decrease, decline, drop in percentages. Adverbs you can use slightly, gradually, just above, just below, over, more than, less than. So use these vocabulary words into your report writing for increase, for decrease, anything. So how to write introduction? So as you can see, introduction means in writing task 1 and 2 in IELTS, you need to paraphrase the question statement in introduction. So paraphrase means you need to change some words, not every word. Every word we will not find any synonym and all. Okay, means paraphrasing of question statement you will be doing by changing some words. So here I have written the given bar vertical graph. The given bar vertical graph. So we have they have given only the chart. So we know that is bar graph, and bar graph is like that. You can see this, it is vertical, and if this bar graph is was like that, then it is horizontal. Then you can write. This is also vocabulary. So minor things will come as vocabulary. So illustrate instead of shows, I have written illustrates. The proportion instead of percentage, the proportion of people instead of people, I have written all the category name, men, children, women. So that's why consuming 5 instead of 8, we have written consuming 5 servings of fruits and vegetables in 8 years from 2001 to 2008 in United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom, the statistical data is represented in percentage per day or percentiles per day. Okay, now overall paragraph. Now overall paragraph at the second number position after introduction you can write, but many students are writing at the end, means last paragraph they are writing it overall. That's also a good thing. Anything, anywhere you can write it, but it's better to write on second number. And moreover thing here, no figures will come. That is the most important thing, you should remember it. So how we can write overall means we will write about highest point and the minimum point and the overall trend. So overall it can be clearly seen that, so these lines are ready-made lines, please use it, there is no harm. And sentence structure is also important. Na? Overall it can be clearly seen that the highest percentage of all Britishers consuming fruits and vegetables was women group. The highest percentage that was consuming women group. Okay, while children accounted for the least category. However, a significant growth in percentage of people eating these food items can be observed throughout the time period. Significant growth, yes, we can observe that going up, everyone is going up. So that is the overall. Now coming to body detail paragraph. How to write body detail paragraph? So there are 8 years and categories are 3. So how will you compile the body detail paragraphs? There are 2 methods. Either you go for category wise. In body after overall you can make 1 paragraph for children, for men, for women. Okay, but here also women will come first because this is the highest, this is the important thing in this graph, and then least, and then this man we will write. And another method is you can compile, you can join year wise, but that's more important to write about first year and the last year. Okay, and within that you can combine you can combine these first 3 years and last 3 years you can combine, and second 2 means 3 paragraphs will come out, first 3 years, these 2 years, and the last 3 years. Okay, now I will write according to category wise. That's more important, I mean convenient for me whenever I am writing this category wise. First we will talk about women. Okay, so here you can see women. Analyzing the women group, I will show you just a minute. So you can see analyzing the women group in the UK who ate fruits and vegetables per day started at just over 20%. See this is 20%. In fact, just over 23%, I must say it is 23%. Okay, in the initial year 2001, while this figure rose steadily, see this, to reach a peak of almost 35%. Okay, 35% in 2006. And in the final year, what is the status of women? Slightly declined. Final year, which slightly declined to 30% from 35% and achieved number 1 rank position. Okay, so this is just simple about women. Now looking into the children category, the red one. Looking into British children in the bar chart, a children group, you can say, okay, the smallest percentage of eating fruits and vegetables per day was only 11%. Okay, in 2002, no, it is 1. Half as compared, means now we are comparing with other categories also. Half as compared to men and women. This group remained constant until 2003 and then grew with a steady rate of growth rate at about 25% in 2007. See this, straight away I am just talking about 27% in 2007, which was same in the last tenure. Okay, now men, the ratio of men who had 5 portions of fruits and vegetables a day was lower than that of women constantly. Now here also we are comparing, because without comparison there is no point of getting good bands. Lower than that of women constantly over all the years. Okay, it started or initiated. Use only one word. I am giving you some options. First we have compared with women, men all over the years. It started at 17% and remained unchanged up to first 3 years from 2001 to 3, but then rose to 27%. Where is 27%? In 2006. See this, 27% in 2006. And declined slightly to 26% by 2008. See this, little bit it slightly declined in 2008. Okay, so that's the full essay. You can see full essay. This is my introduction, this is my overall, this is body 1, body 2 and body 3. Okay.